I don't want to be executor, but they named me in the will. What do I do? Hey there, my name is Ron Payne. I'm the CEO and managing attorney here at Payne Law in Kernersville, North Carolina, where we focus on helping families navigate life's important decisions. And one of those important decisions is helping our clients know who to pick out as their executor. But what if you were named as the executor and that's just not a responsibility you feel up to? You've watched the videos, you've researched online, or you know the family and you know there's conflict and you just don't feel like you can handle it. First off, you don't have to do it. If you've been named in the will and for whatever reason, family conflict, maybe you've moved away, maybe there's just too much going on in your own life, you don't have to do it. And so you can decline to be executor. And the court can't make you be the executor if you don't want to be, and nobody can force you to do it. So on one end, you can say, if it's before they've passed away, you just let your friend know, hey, look, I'm so flattered. I really appreciate you asking. I'm humbled and I'm honored. But unfortunately, based on the circumstances of my life and based on how close we are, I just don't think I'd be the best choice because if I'm being honest, the grief would prevent me from being able to do right by that. Or let them know, hey, I'd love to and I'm flattered. However, due to the personalities in the family, I think I'd probably cause as many problems as I would fix. And why don't I help you find somebody else that can do that? Now, if you are already named as executor and they've already passed away and you find out you're on deck, you can also just say no. And whoever steps up, if the backup person steps up or if another family member says, I wasn't named, but nobody else was named, I'll step up and I'll help take charge of this. You'll just need to sign a consent form for them. The other thing is, on most state websites, there's a form called a renunciation, and you can renounce your appointment as executor that way and just file it with the court. If nobody from the family's reached out to you and you don't know where to start, you could prepare or have an attorney prepare a renunciation, file it with the courthouse, and then keep that. And if any of the family were to reach out to you, they would be able to get a copy of that from you, just letting them know, hey, I appreciate it, but I'm not as well. It's best to be honest about that. While being an executor can be rewarding and helping bring peace and closure to a family for a loved one, it's also a lot of responsibility. It can be a lot of stress. And of course, family dynamics always play a role in that stress as well. And sometimes it's just not the right time, or maybe you're not the right person, and that's okay. I hope you don't run into that situation, but if you ever do, the team here at Payne Law can help. You can reach out to us on the web at applepainelaw.com or on the phone at 336-281-6928. I hope this has been helpful. Like and subscribe here on YouTube for helpful and friendly content. And until next time, take care and have a great day.